Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel that is Coding Champs. So today we are having our the session, and sorry I didn't take the session live, but I'm just sending the recording. Okay. So first I will go to the coder.org and sign in. So I have signed in. Now what I'll just do is that I'll click the create button and go to the app lab. So let me tell you what we are going to create today. Today we are going to learn how we can create a login system in app lab. So let's start. So first, here is my screen, and now what I need is the I need a color background. So what I will just do is that I'll just choose a theme here. Classic. You can also search here now. We search the theme. You can also search the theme now. I'm just going to cherry vanilla. Okay, and now after that what I'm going to do is that I will just take a label. I'll just give the name as login system. Yeah, now I'll just set the text color to black and the background color to transparent and the alignment to center and font size to something like yeah, this is fine. All right. Now, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to give a text input, or you can just use any screen also from Google. Let me show you how you can get this screen. So, what you have to search is that you have to search login screen design, okay? And you will get many types of good designs. You can take from this, okay? You see, isn't it looking great? Yeah. See, there are many you can take. Okay, I'll just make another video on how to we can code for these if it use these images. Okay, so we'll just do this is our part one. There are many types of login system we are going to do. Okay, make okay. And now I'm going to give this text input. And before this, I want to give this thing here. I will give this as username. Okay, username. And now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to duplicate this and I'm going to give it here. And now uh, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to duplicate this text input. Yeah. Now I will give this as password. Now in there is a condition in my app. If the user will type coding champs in username and the password, then only they can log in here. Okay, password. Yeah. Now here what I'm going to do is that I am going to give a button. I will just make it login. Okay, and now I will make another. I will just take a label. I'll just duplicate it. Now what we have to do is that I'm just going to give this the text as wrong password. Okay, now I'm going to make it something big. Now I'm going to set the text color to red. Okay, now what I'm going to do is that I want when the user will come in this app, I want this to be hidden. So what I'm going to just click this and here scroll down and you will see it. You have to take that. Okay, now I will just make one more screen, a new screen in which there will be the logo of Coding Champ. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to make it larger. Yeah, wait a minute. I'm just finding the coding chance uh, logo. I'll just ask. Wait a minute. Wait guys, a minute. Okay, I'm just pausing the video for a second. Oh wait, I just forgot to show this tab. Okay, so I'll just here. Oh sorry. So what I just did is that I just taken a label and give the label text as wrong password, and I just given a button and I just hide it. Okay, and I taken a button called login, and I made a new screen which is I have taken an image. Okay, wait. Mhm. Yeah. So sorry. Yeah, so I have found the image. Now I'm going to paste the link here. Okay, alright. Oh no, sorry, I've pasted the image in the screen, but you have to paste in the image. Okay, so yeah, wait. Oh yeah. Okay, so now you can see there are some border looking. So I want it to be filled. So I'll just here since you put image, I will just make it fill. But it's not looking cool. We can make cover. Yeah, this is now right. Okay, all right. Now here we will. I will just give a label. So I'll go to the this screen one, and I'll just duplicate it. No, I'll just click the copy to screen two. Let's try once again. I don't know why this is happening. Uh, mm, okay. Yeah, so it's now finally has come here in the screen too. Now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to give this as the coding tab. So, okay. Oh, now what I'm going to do is that I will just make the background transparent. Okay. Now here let's go to the code section and let's code the our app. Okay, so here what I'm going to do is that when this login button click, what I want is that when this login button click, it is button one. Yeah, button one click. I want that if. So here we have to give two conditions. So you were thinking that we'll take two if block, but no. We're going to learn about the operator. So just go to the maths and here you can see and. So means thing here like this is the first where here we can give a condition and two conditions we can give. If we give more, we can give more conditions. So first, what I am going to do is that here I will take and I am going to wait. First we will take the equal operator. Okay, and then we are going to take and operator, and I'm going to give this in the first class. So now here what I'll just do is that here I want is there get text means when some it will this condition if the get text means if this get block will get a text. So I'm just going to choose text input 1. So if the get text of text input 1 and the password and username will be same. So I'm just giving this, and if you want to give different, then you have to give the equal operator here, and then you no. For that you have to I'm just showing. For that, what you have to do is that you have to take this and operator, and then you have to give equal operator in the two both. Okay, in the both. Okay. Now what I want is that if the and second is my this text input 2 is equal to coding chat. So now the user can type in any type of word like capital letter, any letter like capital letter, small letter, or any. So how we can get that? Okay, so for this we have to create a variable. I will just create a variable. Now what I'm just going to do is that I will just create one more variable, but this time what we are going to do is that we're going to take this. Wait, you have to give a value to this x2 get text from this both. So what are you going to do? The same. We will take AND operator. Okay, and get text. Get text. Okay. This is text input 2 and this is text input 1. Okay, now what I'm going to do is that I'm just creating this here. Okay, when this button will click, then I want this variable to get created. Now, after that, I will just create one more variable and I will just give this name as y. And here you can see substring. So I'm just giving x here. No, substring not. Yeah, to lowercase. You have to take the a minute. Yeah. So you have to take the string dot to lowercase. Now we have to give our variable name. My variable name is that is fitting our the text of this is the x. Okay. So now what we are going to do is that now we don't need this. So what I'm going to do is that if y is equal to coding tab. So now here you can see it's showing error. But why? Because this is not a variable. This is a word. And in word in programming in words we have to give the question marks here. Now here what I want is this is equal to coding chance. Then I want to set the screen to the this one screen to but if this is the wrong password then what I want is this thing to visible. So for this we need a one more condition, but what we are just going to do is that if we have to click the plus and else. If this will not happen, then this thing will happen. So here what we are going to do is that show element. This will show a element that we have hide it. Okay. So I want to show this element that is label 4. Okay, now let's test our app. Is it working all right or not? So when I click login, let's see what is going to happen. Um, okay, I think we should refresh our page. Yeah, because sometimes it don't save. That's why it's not a run. Yeah. So now let's come. Yeah. So I'll just rename my project login system. 。 system. Yeah. So let's start and let's see. Login, wrong password. See, and if I just type coding stamps and coding stamps, then come into this screen, and now you can type in any type of letter. Like I just type in the capital letter and let's see if it, it work or not. Coding stamp. See, it's working. So hope you all guys like this video, and if you like, then please hit that like button, and haven't subscribed to our channel, then please subscribe, and don't forget to share this video with your friends so that they can learn coding craft course. So bye everyone.